Hey guys, if you are an owner of a V35A engine in a Toyota or Lexus and you're curious about the exact build date of your engine, I'll show you real quick where you can find it stamped on your engine block. It's very easy to find and see, and then you can know exactly what the date of manufacture was for your particular engine, whether it's the original engine that you have or if it's a replacement engine and you're curious to know where does it fall in terms of the actual manufacturing date. Let me show you where it is. All right, so what you want to do here is come up to your engine and you're going to have to pop the cover off. Okay. Lift that up, get that out of the way here. Now, if you look down in here, and it's hard to get with this bracket, so this bracket's in the way. But what you want to do is right underneath that bracket, okay, you see down there, I'll put the arrow here, there's some dates and numbers stamped on that small face of aluminum facing us. That's the engine block stamped with the date you can see, and I'll put a picture of it close zoomed in so you can see exactly what that reads if you can't read it from this angle. That's where you're going to find the date of the engine. Okay, so again, you got to take your cover off, and then you can see it down in there. That's where it's stamped. All right, guys. So as you can see, the engine is stamped in a particular format, and what that format is, the top line is going to be the date, and the bottom line is going to be the time of that day. Okay, so it's the year dot the month dot the day. Okay, and then it's the time. So my engine is stamped 24 for the year, 12 for the month, 27 for the day. So it was manufactured on December 27th, 2024, and the time was 03:53:17. So like early morning, 3:57 a.m. on that day. Okay, the interesting thing is, if we look at it, my engine was replaced on 23 April of 2025. So if we look at the date that it was manufactured for the assembly that they put in my truck, it's about 117 days, which is about just under 4 months. So if you're looking at getting scheduled to have an engine replaced in your truck, it's likely that the engine that they're going to put in your vehicle was manufactured about 3 to 4 months prior to the date of your install. So that's just a good way to know what's the generation or what's the date and the ranges that you're looking at for getting your engine replaced. What is the assembly? How old are they? Generally about 3 to 4 months is what you could expect based off of my paperwork and my engine in this truck, which was already done. So yeah, I hope that helps you if you're curious about your specific engine and you're wanting to know what the exact date of manufacture was for the assembly that's in your truck. Especially if you're looking at maybe buying something that's used, and you need to find out, does the door sticker match the engine assembly? Has the engine already been replaced, or is it still under recall and whatnot? Or if you're looking at potentially, let's say Toyota comes out with a replacement that says, hey, all the engines manufactured in this date range are getting replaced. Well, hey, my replacement engine falls into that. Maybe you can go to your Toyota dealer and ask if your vehicle will then be extended into that coverage, even though the date of manufacture of the actual truck wasn't in that range, but the engine assembly you get is in that range. Maybe there's a case to be made for you getting a replacement engine if and when they decide to update some of the components to totally fix this issue that some of these trucks are having. So hope this helps, gives you a better idea where to go to find it. It can be difficult if you don't know where to look, but now that you know where it is, it should be very easy for you to find on your own truck and get the information you need. All right, guys, thanks a lot. Talk to you next time. Bye-bye.